Did you always consider yourself an artist, or was that
No.
something? Do you consider yourself an artist now?
Yeah, for sure.
So what caused that shift?
Bob Ross, when he came out on Netflix,
Yeah.
that was popular, so I started watching that, and I was like, that looks really fun. I haven't painted in a really long time. Kind of want to try that. I was really like surprised with how my little Bob Ross tutorial came out. I was like, wow, that's actually not that bad. I actually really enjoyed this, and maybe if I invested some time, money, and energy into this, I could maybe make something awesome that I really, really love. Right after that, I was like, okay, let's go to the store, and I just bought everything at once. I got a bunch of canvases, I got a bunch of paint, I got a whole set of brushes.
How important were the tools to making the art?
I didn't really think about it. I have all this stuff and I want to paint, and I just put some paint on and grabbed a random paintbrush and just started doing whatever I wanted. Yeah, that was like interesting, like learning types of brushes, what kind of stroke does this and that, and for what I want. But it was like really interesting because I didn't have any direction at some point, like in my pieces. For the most part, I've been doing art that just kind of no rules, if you can say.
No rules.
I just kept adding more and more and more and more and more. And once you add more, you have to add more to fix the more that you added. And I don't know, that's just how I felt. That piece was crazy.
How do you know when to stop on a piece like that when you just keep adding to it?
But I know when it's done. You just know when it's done because you feel satisfied with it. You just feel complete. Just looking at it and feeling content with knowing that no more will be added.
Yeah.
And it's gonna stay like that forever.
So is there anything you're trying to like say with your art?
I never really think about it. What do I want to say to the world? I don't ever think about it like that, but I do think about it in terms of people will see this, and this is technically like a message that I'm leaving here. Sometimes I'll write things, but for the most part, it's the same thing. I'm just having fun doing it. Because for me personally, when I'm just living literally and I see art,
Yeah.
it just makes me happy.
Yeah.
It just makes me happy. I love colors, I love patterns, I love textures, I love it all. And specifically my type of art, because there's so much type of art,
Yeah.
but specifically my type of art, which is colorful, it's in your face, it's crazy, you can't ignore it, and you can't just like not notice it. It's so flashy and jazzy, like I said, you know. If other people could look at it and get some type of thing from it, even if they hate it, because like that's cool too, you know.
That's cool.
Yeah, even if they hate it, that's cool too.
Oh, why is that cool?
Because it's making them feel something.
Do you find it easier to work with people or by yourself?
It just depends what I'm trying to do. If
Yeah.
I'm trying to have fun, definitely with other people. If I'm trying to make something specific, then like by myself for sure. Because when I'm by myself completely is when I can like completely zone out and just let art flow. When I'm with other people, that happens too, but it's more social for sure. When I'm by myself, it's like I'm not even with myself either. Like I am, but it's like I go somewhere else. And like the art becomes me, you know what I mean?
I'm wondering, what does art mean to you?
It's just expression. Yeah, it's just expression. Like that's such a simple way to put it, but anything can be art.